Imagine yourself at 60, ready to embrace retirement. You picture leisurely mornings, exotic vacations, and spending quality time with loved ones. But then, reality hits. You haven't saved enough. The golden years seem more like a financial strain. This is the high cost of waiting, the missed opportunity to grow your wealth and secure your future. Time is a non-renewable resource, and when it comes to investing, the earlier you start, the better. Procrastination is a silent wealth killer, especially in your 50s. These are the prime earning years, often accompanied by increased living expenses like mortgages and college funds. Ignoring the need to invest during this crucial period can have significant consequences. The power of compound interest diminishes with each passing year, making it harder to catch up later. My name is Mark, and you found us here at Crypto for Seniors. Today, we will be talking about investment procrastination. Now, nothing contained in this video is construed as investment advice. I am not a certified financial planner. I am a guy on the internet who is simply documenting my journey into my golden years, where financial freedom is a daily focus. Laying the groundwork before up to now, where my wife and I can provide generational wealth to our children and grandchildren. So, let's get back into it. Imagine two individuals, both aiming to retire at 65. One starts investing at 25, the other at 55. Even if they contribute the same amount annually, the early bird benefits from decades of compound growth. This snowball effect allows their money to make more money, leading to a significantly larger nest egg at retirement. Don't let procrastination rob you of your financial freedom. The time to act is now. Compound interest is the secret sauce of investing. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining more snow and momentum as it goes. In simple terms, it means earning interest on your initial investment and on any interest earned previously. This creates a powerful cycle of growth that can significantly amplify your wealth over time. Let's illustrate with an example. Suppose you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual return. After the first year, you earn $70 in interest. The next year, you earn interest not only on the original $1,000, but also on the $70, and so on. Over time, your earnings snowball, leading to exponential growth. This is the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into a substantial sum over decades. This is why starting in your 50s, while challenging, is still far better than not starting at all. Every dollar invested today is a step towards securing your financial future. Don't underestimate the power of compound growth. It's the closest thing to magic in the financial world. Fear and uncertainty often paralyze individuals, preventing them from making crucial investment decisions. The complexities of the financial world, the jargon, and the fear of losing money can be overwhelming. But remember, knowledge is power. Educating yourself about basic investment principles can alleviate these fears and empower you to make informed decisions. One common misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. With the rise of online platforms and fractional shares, investing is more accessible than ever. You don't need a fortune to get started. Even small, regular contributions can make a significant difference over time. The key is to start somewhere and remain consistent. Another common fear is market volatility. It's natural to feel anxious when the market experiences downturns. But remember, investing is a long-term game. Short-term fluctuations are normal and should not deter you from your financial goals. Instead of panicking, view market dips as potential buying opportunities. Historically, the stock market has always recovered from downturns, rewarding patient investors. Don't let fear be a roadblock to your financial well-being. Arm yourself with knowledge, seek guidance from trusted financial advisors, and remember that the biggest risk is not investing at all. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow over time. In today's digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding certain investments, like cryptocurrencies. While these can be enticing, it's crucial to remember that they are highly volatile and speculative. Diversifying your portfolio is key, and placing all your eggs in one basket, especially a risky one, can be detrimental. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the basics, such as low-cost index funds or mutual funds. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds, reducing risk and providing steady returns over time. Another misconception is that investing requires constant monitoring and complex strategies. While it's essential to stay informed, you don't need to be a financial expert to manage your investments. Many financial institutions offer target date funds, which automatically adjust their asset allocation based on your retirement timeline, simplifying the investment process. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent contributions over time and letting the power of compound interest work its magic. Don't get sidetracked by quick-rich schemes or follow the herd mentality. Focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 5. Starting small, dreaming big. You don't need a windfall to begin investing. The most crucial step is to start, however small the amount. Consider setting aside a portion of your income each month, even if it's just a small percentage. The key is to make investing a habit like paying a bill. Start by reviewing your budget and identifying areas where you can cut back. Can you reduce unnecessary expenses like dining out or subscription services? Even small adjustments can free up funds for investing. Remember, every dollar counts, and the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Another approach is to automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account each month. This way, you're less likely to miss a contribution and ensure consistent investment growth. Many financial institutions offer this service, making it a hassle-free way to invest regularly. Starting small also allows you to gradually learn about investing and gain confidence in your decision-making. As you see your investments grow, even modestly, it can be a powerful motivator to stay disciplined and continue investing over time. Section 6. Finding your financial compass. Investing in your 50s requires a tailored approach. Unlike younger investors with longer time horizons, you have less time to recover from potential losses. Therefore, it's crucial to assess your risk tolerance and align your investment strategy accordingly. Consider factors like your financial goals, time horizon, and comfort level with market fluctuations. If you're risk-averse, a more conservative approach with a focus on preserving capital might be suitable. This could involve investing in lower-risk assets like bonds or dividend-paying stocks. On the other hand, if you have a higher risk tolerance and a longer time horizon, you might consider a more aggressive approach with a larger allocation to growth-oriented investments like stocks. However, it's crucial to remember that higher potential returns come with higher risk. Seeking guidance from a qualified financial advisor can be invaluable during this stage. They can help you develop a personalized investment plan that aligns with your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial aspirations. A financial advisor can also provide ongoing support, monitor your investments, and make adjustments as needed. Section 7. The power of now. The cost of waiting to invest is not just financial, it's also emotional. Procrastination can lead to regret, anxiety, and missed opportunities. By taking control of your finances and investing wisely, you gain peace of mind knowing that you are actively working towards a secure future. Imagine the feeling of financial freedom in retirement, knowing that you have the means to enjoy your golden years without financial worries. This sense of security and accomplishment is priceless and can significantly enhance your overall well-being. Investing is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about investing in your future self, your dreams, and the things that matter most. It's about creating a legacy for yourself and your loved ones. By taking action today, you're investing in a brighter and more secure tomorrow. Don't let the present slip away. Embrace the power of now and take the first step towards securing your financial future. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Section 8. Take control of your future. Investing in your 50s is not about catching up. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. It's about making informed decisions today that will empower you to live the life you envision tomorrow. Don't let fear, procrastination, or misconceptions hold you back. Start by educating yourself about basic investment principles, assessing your risk tolerance, and exploring different investment options. Seek guidance from trusted financial advisors who can help you navigate the complexities of the financial world and develop a personalized investment plan. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It's about making consistent contributions over time, staying disciplined, and remaining focused on your long-term goals. Don't get sidetracked by short-term market fluctuations or get-rich-quick schemes. Focus on building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial aspirations and risk appetite. The power to secure your financial future lies within you. Take that first step today and embrace the transformative power of investing. Well, that wraps up today's video. What did you think? Please leave me a comment below and let me know what has been working for you to stay away from procrastination. If you would also smash that thumbs up and like this video, it does help the algorithm to find me and spreads the videos to larger audiences to empower them for greatness. I know that is a lot of pressure on you, but please rest assured, smashing the like won't hurt, and you will feel so good about yourself when you do. Thanks for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Pause 3. S.